যতনো সারি কাহাম তিনি media rokno hambairibo তিনি সারিgo তিনি ট্রেন Guwahati jora thanai te Guwahati থেকে Lucknow thanai ke তিনি Tripura MMA team thanglai tongo Lucknow national 6 national championship participate khainam bagai ang tongo Tripura ni in charge te তিনি chandrakanta tongo তিনি assistant pro ke তিনি president MMA Tripura no hambairibo te তিনি general secretary pro ni support ni bagai te joto chungno support rinai rok ni bagai তিনি guardian rok no hambaya pro te norok joto no angkoyo chungno chubana bagai norok ni chuba chubai chung tebo kutuk saka kamana jai norok ni chuba chu chung nango. Good evening. Today we are MMA Tripura team assembled here in the Badarghat railway station. Right now we are going to leave from the Badarghat station towards Lucknow. We will be boarding with our 9 players from MMA Tripura. We have our Kru Chandrakanta DEBBARMA and myself, the state in charge, which we will be leaving and will be reaching on 18th, and on 25th we will reach back Agartala. I expect everyone to support you, to support us, and we need your blessings so that in future we will able to improve more and we will able to excel more in our activities. And I hope with your blessings our fighters will able to achieve some medals, and this is what we hope for this at this moment. Thank you.